Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to be making some porridge yam and plantain. It's usually a very delicious combination, porridge yam and plantain. So in this pot I have some stew which are already made. I have jollof stew. You can go ahead and use jollof stew if that is what you have at home. Yeah, it's always good to use it as well. I mean, it's the same thing as your jollof rice, you know. So I have jollof stew at home. I'm going to add some onion. Trust me guys, this is a very delicious recipe. Try this. Honestly, you will come back to say thank you. At this point I'm going to add some oil. I just want some little drop of oil. I remember those days when I used to come back from school and make porridge. I make my porridge with palm oil and some crayfish, yes, and some onion. If you remember those days, let me know in the comment section. I ate a lot of porridge yam in my teenage age. I ate a lot of it because my mom loves yam a lot, so we eat a lot of porridge yam, roasted yam. We did a lot, yam sauce, egg sauce, vegetable sauce with yam, a lot of things we did with yam and plantain. But this recipe, trust me guys, this is a delicious recipe. You will love to try. Next guys, I'm going to add my yam. Feel free to add water at this point. For me, this is how I love to go about it. I always love to add my yam before I add water. But you can always add your water before your yam. It doesn't matter anyways. So go ahead and add your water. You don't want to add too much water. Okay, you just want to add water that will be enough to cook down the yam until it is nicely cooked. All of this depends on what quantity of yam you are cooking. So you mix everything to combine. Just allow it to cook for 20 minutes before you add your plantain. Okay, give it a taste, and I'm going to be adding my Maggi seasoning. Stir everything. Cover it up. So I'm going to add our ripe plantain, guys. This is what you want to do if you have ripe plantain at home. Let it all cook right now. Crave for yam guys. So guys, this is it for our porridge yam and plantain recipe. Guys, here is our yam and plantain porridge. I hope you have liked this recipe. Please try it and let me know in the comment section. Share to your family, friends and loved ones. God bless you as you do. You choose to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. I will leave the ingredients in the description so that you can go and try it and let me know how it feels. It feels good, right? When you want to eat something and you can, just put it together. Very easy and quick to make. Thank you.